Hi, so this is a email some of us are getting in UK, and it says that someone who came into contact with you has tested positive for Omicron, and please visit this to test. Now, there are two or three things which would point that this is a fake thing. First of all, if you see the domain here is .com. Had it been from the government website, it should be .go.uk. Other thing is the number here. If you get it from the government website, they have the money to pay to have the number displayed as a government. Other thing, look at the subdomain. Why the hell NHS will have a subdomain for the Omicron order test? That means they have a website called Omicron order test. That doesn't make sense. So there are at least three things, if you know web designing, to tell you that this is a fake email. Other thing, if you have come in contact with someone who have tested positive for Omicron, how the hell they would know that? For that to happen, that person has to tell that person has been in contact with you specifically and given your number, which is not in public domain. Damn it! I mean, this is just, they are not just even trying to make it fake. And just for the sec, I have clicked on it because obviously I'm not afraid of these stupid things. But look at how beautifully they have designed it. Like they have the cookies thing coming up, they have the Omicron PCR test thing going on here. I mean, they they have almost everything going for them, showing it as a true website. And you click on it and continuing. Now look at this. Now they are asking you. I mean, I have put everything, address and every damn thing, and they're asking you to pay money. And once you have paid that, it will capture your account detail. If I want to know about this more, I would go to the web page source. Huh, look at that. They're not showing us the web page source. That is horrible. Let's inspect it. So banner, header, and a chest, subheading, right, right, form, body, form group. Obviously, it will be in dividend. Look at that. They're going to trap all this bloody information. And wow, they have made it brilliantly, haven't they? I must give it to them. They should have used it properly. Their thought process to build a proper website rather than trying to earn money from that. Yeah, I guess it makes sense like why the society is so broken about all this. Anyway, so that's about it, and don't fall to traps. Thank you.